Hi everyone, this is Neon Cupcock here, showing you how to make a lag machine in Minecraft. Okay, now, so before I start, I want to stop a quick disclaimer on here. I'm doing this in PS3 edition, which is, of course, is an outdated version, unfortunately. So this is, and it may lag differently in this version, and if it even lags at all, you're gonna have to build it quite a bit high, and quite a bit complex for it to lag. But I've tried it on a Windows 10 edition, which is compatible with Bedrock. It didn't lag for me, but of course it lagged for my friends. I don't know, whether it lags or not depends on the version of the console. So this is a prototype of it. Yeah, this is a... So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to build an infinite circuit, is what I call it. So you're going to need 8 redstone and an observer. That's it. So I showed you this probably in the previous video. You just need to make an incomplete redstone square, like this. But do not do the front yet. It's okay if that dips down a little. Then you do the front, and it goes on forever. Now to stop the infinite circuit, you have a lever. So what you're going to do is, when the lever's in the off position, of course, you're gonna need that much redstone, 1 observer, at least 2 stacks of sticky pistons, and at least 2 stacks of redstone, 1 lever. So what you need to do then is, this is gonna be pretty much the whole thing. Oh, and about a stack of a block of your choice. So you're gonna need to build this at first, and this is going to activate a few more things when it comes this way. Now, I may warn you, if you do it going up, it does not always go well, but I guess it goes okay that way. But it may not work sometimes, but it may work other times. So I'm just going to give you a certain version of it. You can complex it however you want. Oh, okay, so I'm going to destroy some grass real quick. So the first thing, once we build that, we should build another redstone block, and then we should build a sticky piston. Now this will go up constantly, so we're going to build a block of emerald. And on that block, now we're actually going to mine this first. And on this block of emerald, we're going to have an observer redstone end this way. Put a sticky piston here. We're going to have a block of emerald here. And again, this means the block of your choice. And then that goes off that way. So we're going to try to repeat the same way in a few other ways. Again, like this, and then just like this. Redstone end facing this way, of course. And then emerald, and then over here. Once again. And then we do the emerald redstone end, and facing this way, emerald. So now observe, let's see how much it lags. It isn't lagging yet, but trust me, it'll lag sometime. Oh yeah, you need to add this redstone signal. As you can see, now we have 3 different circuits that are being like that. And feel free to pause this video anytime, it may go too fast for some of you. So anyway, what we're gonna do first, I just wanna check if this is gonna, so first we're gonna just build another block of emerald. I'm gonna go to sleep real quick so it's easier to see, of course. Okay, so mine this block of bed now. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to have more redstone, and we're gonna have this on top of here. I'm just gonna repeat this for each thing. Have the redstone branch off here, sticky piston up, branch off here, and sticky piston up. Now let's see what we have so far. So far it's all working, but it's not lagging yet. You're going to have to extend this a whole bunch for it to actually lag. So right here I'm going to do a block of I'm just going to do an emerald block, but I'm going to build 2 this way so I can mine this. Now I'm going to mine this now and do observer redstone end this way. That reminds me, you might need more observers than that. But then I'm going to add an observer chain this way. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it's still operating the observer. So keep doing it this way. And do this. it'll go here, and then this will come over here, which will and this will push all the way over here. So, yeah, mind that actually. So we're just gonna do that, add emerald block. Let me turn this off. So line this, add emerald block. Again, observer this way. This is just an example of what you can make. And redstone end this way. Place that, mine all this. And more redstone chain right here. And then I'm gonna just bring this down here right now. So as you can see, it's right down here, and I'm just gonna do a quick little test to see if this actually works. Yes, it works, thankfully. So as you can see, it may take a while. It's glitching a little bit. It's not really lagging that much though. So we're gonna have to work. So again, you can extend this even when I'm done, which may be a few more minutes. So anyway, stop all that. I'm just gonna extend for the first three. Go this way again. And for this way, do the observer. Redstone end this way. Mine this. Have this like this. And then of course this way. I'm gonna mine this redstone block. This doesn't need to be here. And then yeah, that I'm facing this way. I'm gonna branch it off and bring it down here actually. And then let's see. Like this. And then, yeah, this way. Oh, actually, I haven't even built the observer on this end. Oh, yeah, I still need to. Silly me. Anyway, so, block of emerald. And again, but facing this way. Redstone end. Bring it down. And actually, just for a change of plans, I'm actually going to do a whole new chain of infiniteness. Okay, so again, I'm going to do the redstone square. Redstone end facing this way. Just like this. Now, since I probably want to stop this at the same time I want to stop the one thing, I'm actually going to move the lever and put it right here. And I'm going to connect this. I'm going to stop this. But I'm also going to burrow underground. And reappear like this. And then connect this. As you can see, it therefore stops that. And you release it. Everything goes again. Okay, so over here, over here, slightly similar thing. So, as I was saying, redstone end, right here. And then we have the block of redstone, this way. And you can do this as many times as you want. In this way, and this way. Block, block, block. And then I'm just gonna do emerald, observer, emeralds, branch down. And you know what? I'm going to actually, usually you could repeat the cycle as many times as you want. It's probably not going to lag in the example, but I'm going to leave this up to you. I'm going to let you do this machine as much as you possibly want. Repeat the cycle as much as you possibly want. And just repeat the cycle as much as you want. I'm going to leave it up to you. And just to be fun, I'm actually going to connect this, which is another prototype. My previous build, of course, I'm just going to need a redstone repeater right here. So we'll go on for a little bit. Right here. redstone repeater. Actually, this way. It actually goes on at different times. So I just need to bring this over here. I'm going to do another redstone repeater. Well, actually, no, I can make it here. And therefore, when we shut this off, well, actually, it doesn't shut off that. But we can't do, well, we can't be good at everything. So anyway, that's how you make one of those cool machines, live machines. Impress your friends, annoy your friends, and just continue this build as long as and as huge and as just follow the same concept. Do it as much as you want, because remember, creative in Minecraft, if at least in creative mode and survival mode, in survival mode Minecraft, survival is the key. In creative mode Minecraft, creativeness is the key. This has been Neon Cupcock, probably one of my most complex builds yet. Thank you for watching.